Welcome to our comprehensive guide on navigating the U.S. visa stamp process following your USCIS approval. Obtaining your U.S. visa stamp can indeed be a complex task, filled with numerous requirements and procedural nuances. Our goal in this video is to clarify some of the most common questions and concerns you might have, offering valuable guidance throughout your journey. Let's dive into understanding this process and addressing any potential challenges you might face. In this video, we will be covering crucial topics like 1. Stamping outside your home country. 2. Interview waiver eligibility post-USCIS approval. 3. Understanding passport processing times at consulates. 4. Whether you can get your spouse's passport stamped on their behalf. These points aim to equip you with all necessary information and ensure your visa stamping process is seamless and successful. While it is technically possible to have your visa stamped at any U.S. embassy or consulate around the world, doing it in your home country is highly recommended. Stamping your visa in a different country comes with additional complexities and potential processing delays. It's tempting to get your passport stamped at a U.S. embassy in a country you're visiting for vacation, but this can add further complications. You may face unforeseen delays if any issues arise, extending the process longer than if it was handled in your home country. Always ensure to check the specific requirements of the embassy or consulate where you intend to apply. Receiving USCIS approval for your petition does not mean you're automatically granted an interview waiver. The eligibility for a waiver depends on various factors, including your visa category, the reason for your application, and your overall immigration history. It's crucial to determine your eligibility, especially in cases where visa subtypes are changing, such as from a B visa to an A visa. Make sure to verify directly with the U.S. Embassy or consulate to confirm your eligibility for an interview waiver in your specific case. Let's test your knowledge with a quick quiz. Does USCIS approval automatically guarantee an interview waiver? Here are your options, yes or no. You may pause the video now to think about the answer. We will discuss the answer in the next section of the video. The correct answer is no. USCIS approval does not automatically mean you are eligible for an interview waiver. Multiple factors influence your eligibility for an interview waiver, including your visa category and immigration history. Visa processing times at U.S. embassies or consulates can vary significantly. Factors such as the specific U.S. embassy or consulate, the type of visa, the time of year, and their current workload all influence these times. Expect significant variations and plan accordingly by contacting the embassy or consulate directly for the most up-to-date estimates. Let's walk through this flowchart, which illustrates the visa stamping process. It starts with the USCIS approving the petition. The next step involves choosing the country for stamping your visa, whether it be your home country or another. After choosing the country, you can check your eligibility for an interview waiver. Finally, if everything is set, you proceed to the actual stamping process at the embassy. This visual will help you understand the flow of each stage more clearly. Unfortunately, no. Your spouse must be physically present at the embassy or consulate for their visa stamping. Their presence is essential for identity verification and other security measures. Attempting to obtain a visa stamp for another person without their physical presence is illegal and will not be successful. Let's summarize the essential points from our video. First, getting your visa stamped in your home country is usually easier and less complicated. Second, be aware that interview waivers are not guaranteed with USCIS approval, as they depend on various factors. Third, processing times can be highly variable between consulates, so always get the most current information directly from the embassy. Lastly, remember that your spouse must be physically present for their own visa stamping. As we conclude, remember, planning is vital when navigating the visa stamping process. Choose your stamping location wisely, preferably your home country. Confirm your eligibility with the U.S. Embassy for interview waivers. Prepare for potential delays by checking embassy processing times. And lastly, ensure all statutory requirements are met for a smooth experience. Thank you for watching our guide on navigating the U.S. visa stamp process. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments section below. Your feedback helps us create more valuable content for you. See you in our next video.